Greetings and beautiful and abundant, benevolent blessings to everyone. My name is Kiara, and today I am so happy, so fresh and excited, and definitely blessed to be here with all of you wonderful souls here today. So thank you for being here with me today. I greatly appreciate you. Love you guys very, very much. I want to make the quickest video I could possibly make today, so I'm going to try and keep it under 10 minutes. But I will definitely be making shorter, smaller videos on my phone using the charts, etc. as well. I think it's so important to be able to do that for you guys and post more regularly on my community. It was actually my birthday on Saturday on the 7th of May, so I'm feeling very happy. I've now turned 35, and thank you all for celebrating with me just by being here on this earth. So thank you for being present. Thank you for being in this time with me. I do greatly appreciate that, very, very, very much so. With that being said, let's get into the content today. If you have not yet come and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so. Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And let's get straight into the content today, team. So, what's been going on with this Bitcoin price? After the Fed announced the interest rate hike, we broke up here and we failed, and then down, and then bam, straight back down to the bottom end of the falling wedge. You can see the bottom end of the falling wedge held this candle in support, but they continued to break down. We thought we were finding support on the bottom of the purple box here and perhaps retesting the wedge. What we did, retest the wedge with this candle here. Oh, wow, let's do. Yeah, don't worry about that. I need to learn how to get the screen much bigger. Sorry guys, full screen mode, there you go. I'm going to check this out with you on mode so that we can get into this, because this is so important for us, guys. So we had a massive crash and drawdown here. We failed. We had a huge buy volume in this. It's a reversal candle, so we thought we were going to turn up. Couldn't even make it past the purple box. Tested the purple box a number of times, which was at 36,315. Failed hopelessly, and then continued to drop. Fall out. And then yesterday we had a really wonderful, and actually that's quite interesting, because last year I've only been in crypto for a couple of months, like 3-4 months, and I remember seeing the crypto or the Bitcoin that I bought on my birthday also tumbling down, and guess what, it tumbled down again on the 7th of May. So it is what it is. I guess my birthday is that time when Bitcoin does fall, so I'll recognize that going forward in the future. But what I wanted to share with you guys is there's a lot of signals saying that we're like really starting to come to the bottom end of this, even though we've got volume candles closing below previous candles, and we're under the wedge that we had, and that's normally a bullish pattern, so it's very, very interesting that happened. But I said to you that we would at the most come and reach my red line here. So that's my personal view. It may not be right, but if we look at all of the big players like Tesla, Michael Saylor, UST, Luna, the average buying price of Bitcoin was 25K. So if it had to reach down to that point, we'd see those big players being liquidated, right? That ain't gonna happen. Margin called, That ain't gonna happen. Do you think the biggest money in the world, or some of the biggest money in the world, some of the big money, would fail their investments? Very, very, very unlikely, okay? Especially with something that has had so much adoption, so much traction, and certainly higher pricings as we go along. So I just needed to show you just having people buy and sell amounts. Really, Luna have now become the second Bitcoin holder, second largest Bitcoin holder, after Tesla at the moment, and yeah, they soon to overtake. So in fact, I think they did overtake last week when they bought their other Bitcoin. So that's really wonderful. Well done to you, Luna. And I have to show you from this point here, from this large candle, guys, if you can see what's happened straight down, okay, we literally have cash that come down from the oversold area. We've tried to pull back up a little bit and we still haven't. So we're in consolidation on the stochastic RSI and the RSI under these levels. Guys, there is gonna be some huge move coming for Bitcoin very soon. Okay, and I believe we have the Federal Reserve talking on the 11th of May, which is 2 days' time, on Wednesday. And that's going to make the market move. So who knows what's going to happen? There will certainly be volatility, but at the end of the day, we need to just be prepared. And yeah, we could continue to slide down to red level support. There could even be a way down to the 30K level, 29, maybe 30K at the very, very most. Seeing some return back up here. So with that being said, okay, I want to show you guys why this is here. So down and low. So we had days and days of just death trap from the Bitcoin price. We literally fell through the floor, literally. So on the sky, oversold. They sold, have turned back. So I drew my line here, my big view, to rebounce and retest this line. I did that months ago, and I've been saying that for some time now, that we definitely are going to be coming down to this level, retesting those levels. So I must say that we have seen extreme sell volume here right now, and even on the week, on the stochastics and the you can see the week volume here, back on 17th of May 2021. Jeez, like that's nearly a year ago, guys. That was our highest sell volume. For the rest of the time, we haven't actually had a lot of volume. Until we start seeing, okay, this is just capitulation and perhaps a little bit of manipulation from, let's say, who, but I'm sure you all know. Boom, W pattern. That's for me what's busy going on here, and yeah, we should start a huge tap in the trend. Even the monthly is looking very, very weak, but I serious. And 1,400 and 1,000 on the Nasdaq. Okay, we are oversold yet again. Down here. Okay, this level. So since the 7th of April, we have been oversold on our stocks. I'm saying to you, doesn't matter if we've different to past times, okay? Even though there is part that similarities in the chart readings. What do you actually say? It should come down to this red line and is looking way overboard. These levels we've been bought on 17th of April. That's been happening in the market has over top to top 4 this 11 to 8 guys 100 to 90 99 kind of level, okay, between and this, okay, that's going to tell us where we are today in the charts, in the assets, in the stock market. People have been calling a recession that has been coming and looming. Guys, if we have readings of 2 consecutive quarters that are of GDP readings, okay, or slowing down, that means that there has already been a recession. So the recession is there, it's imminent, it's been here. But have we seen some of the slowdown? Yes, of course we have. That's why the dollar's shooting up. That's why some are doing tremendously so. Property, all kinds. But I'm going to say to you right now, even though the bubbles have popped, there is obviously a lot of fear in the markets as to what's going on right now and what's happening, especially with the war and all kinds of Federal Reserve and oil exchanges and fiat wars and all of these things that are coming to play. I don't want to go too much into detail because I'm already over the time that I wanted to go with you guys today. But the point is that what I look at in the charts and what I see, you guys have to do your own research, find out what's going on in the market, make the best choices possible for yourselves as to what it is that you're doing. But if you're in this for the long run, crypto is a wonderful space. Definitely investing in your top cryptos, your top 10 cryptos, your top 20 at the absolute most. That's good. Things. I got into the crypto space. Bitcoin wasn't anywhere near this. Yeah, around this. So it's just just below where I invested my first. I think I invested in January 1st last year when I bought somewhere at this level here, at this breakout candle. I'm sure I bought somewhere around this area. So I enjoyed that. Some level, even if we wick to the bottom of my, I'm all good with. I have Bitcoin as low as, so I'm accumulating Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano as my term holdings. Probably a bit of launch too, and for me, we're good to go in this market. You just be safe out there, and if you're a trader, get yourself the link down pinned in the comment below, and get yourself $100 bonus on Bybit today, and wait for the pullback. Because guys, I can tell you something. We've used current 7 of Bitcoin. That does not happen. Okay, I can tell you something. 7 on Bitcoin was probably never this sorry, 7 weeks. 1, 2, 3. We had here, and then we had a little a bi candle again, and we had another 3. So that's the closest we ever. Interesting. In 21st of May, I'm going to say to you right now that we should be accumulating. Recognize that is happening and lots and going around in the world. Of World War III midst, but hopefully that does not take place. Yeah, I do believe on the 11th we also have perhaps so why not? Okay, because we need that in our world for our peace and our people more than making money, guys. So yeah, that's it today. Thank you being here with me. I love you guys very, very much. If you have any comments, is hit that your comments with a thumbs, a like, and definitely working towards beautiful channel. So thank you for being part of my community. If you come to subscribe, please come and subscribe. Please hit the like button on the video. Appreciate you. You take care and have yourself a beautiful day. And yes, I did go 7 minutes over what I said I wanted to, but I had to share that content with you guys. Love you. Bye.